guys. Today I'm going to answer the #1 question I get about my soaps, and that is, how well do your soaps lather? And that's an excellent question. Handmade soaps have a reputation of not being as sudsy as commercial soaps, because commercial soaps contain surfactants, which are the ingredients that make bubbles, and it's a chemical. Handmade soap doesn't have added chemicals to make lather, so I'm going to show you how well handmade soaps lather. I'm going to show you 3 different lathers. I'm going to show you with a poof, a washcloth, and bare hands, because it does make a difference. My preferred method is the poof. It also exfoliates. I like the poof. Today I'm going to show you with a couple different of my soaps, and we're going to start with the Funky Fruit, the Rainbow Chunk soap. It's ready, by the way. It's up on the site as you are watching this. I'm just going to get a little bit of water. I've already used this to take a shower with, so I know that it lathers really good. So, here's with the hands. And just roll it around. And I haven't really done much work yet, and it's already like super bubbly. So, nice lather. I like the lather of this one. Okay, now on a washcloth. Let's get our washcloth wet. Give it a couple quick little rubs. And as you can see, you have a nice soapy washcloth. And, you know, you're ready to go. So, washcloth, my second favorite option. Use that for the next bar. And my personal favorite way to lather up with Summerland soaps is the poof. I just get my poof wet, get my soap wet, rub the soap a couple times, usually in a circular motion on top of my poof. Let the poof, give it a couple scrunches. This is my husband's poof. And you get a nice rich lather. So the poof, it rinses super clean. The poof is my preferred method. So let me rinse out the poof and the washcloth, and I will show you a different soap. Ginger peach. This is a sample sliver. Ginger peach with bare hands. Ginger peach with bare hands. Very thick, creamy lather. The bubbles aren't quite as big as the Funky Fruit, but it's a nice, clean, you know, bubbly lather. Now let's do it with a washcloth. Soap with the cloth, give it a quick rub, and you have a pretty nice amount of lather on your washcloth. And you know, it does as well as washcloths do. No matter what soap I use, I'm never impressed with the lather of a washcloth. Okay. And now the poof. Get your poof wet. Put your soap wet. Just rub it around a couple times till you see, a good amount of soap on your poof. Okay, it's already got a nice creamy consistency. So, add a little water, work it up with your hands a little bit. And ginger peach makes amazing, creamy, fluffy lather and rinses very clean. Only oats. This is the pure oatmeal, no fragrance, no added color. It's just an oatmeal soap made with green tea instead of water. This is a great facial soap. This little sample chunk I keep it on my sink just for washing my face. So, and I usually just rub it in my hands. It's kind of got a light exfoliation to it. So this is one that you could definitely, in the shower, rub directly onto your skin. It won't make a lot of lather when you do it like that, unless you work it like this. Okay? It's a very mild soap. But it does produce pretty good lather. Okay, so on the washcloth, and the slight exfoliation from the oatmeal actually helps it lather a little bit better than some of the other ones on a washcloth. And I tried to use a dark colored washcloth so that you could see that. Okay. I'll fully rinse that out in a second. And now the poof. When you put it on a poof, you'll get the added benefits of some of those oatmeal granules will get in there and you'll get a little bit extra exfoliation. That's always cool. This is why the poof is my preferred method. Look at the lather. It's a very thick lather, as you can see, and it's very soft. This lather would be great for your face. If you just got a poof, worked up some lather, put the lather on your hands and washed your face with that. This soap is so mild because it contains no fragrances that I love using the Only Oats on my face. Okay, so the last soap is Tea Room. This is the black tea, green tea, white tea blend. You can see the little specks are actual pieces of tea leaf, and during the saponification process they kind of steeped a little bit, so the surrounding soap around the tea is colored with the tea. Isn't that neat? It turned out really good. Okay, so, ooh, it's very slippery. It's like, whoop, oh. Okay, so this one just on the skin, and you just rub it around your hands, really makes decent lather. It's not as thick, but this one has more olive oil than coconut oil, and I find that, or I'm sorry, palm kernel oil. The more olive oil, the less dense the lather on a washcloth. Performs very well on a washcloth. Lots of bubbles. And finally, on the poof. You only have to rub it around till the top has some soap on it. Get it wet. this makes really big bubbles. So, you get so much lather from just such a small amount of soap that bar soaps, handmade bar soaps, really last a lot longer than a bottle of, say, body wash, in my opinion. Look at those nice big fluffy bubbles. I almost said butters. Very nice. Very nice thick bubbles. So as you can see, all of my handmade soaps produce wonderful lather. It rinses very clean. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this eased your mind if you were worried about, bar soaps and will you get as much lather as you do with your favorite body wash. And I think you will, and I think you'll love it. It rinses clean. My hands feel nice and soft. And they smell good too. Alright guys, thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.